Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming fundamentals and initiating the first fixes. Turn off airplane mode and ensure Wi-Fi is enabled. Once done, restart both your phone and the router. Wait about 30 to 60 seconds so the router finishes booting. While that restarts, open Wi-Fi settings, choose the problem network, and select Forget. Then re-add the SSID and type the password slowly to avoid typos. This clears cached connection data and often resolves authentication or DHCP assignment issues quickly. Now you dive into the middle, more detailed steps that fix deeper causes. Access the router admin page and verify SSID broadcast that DHCP is enabled and which bands are active. Switch to 2.4 GHz if older devices struggle. Make sure your phone OS and router firmware are up to date and temporarily disable MAC filtering to rule it out. If you still see limited connectivity, assign a static IP in the phone's advanced Wi-Fi settings or tell the phone to renew the DHCP lease to clear IP conflicts and gateway errors. Finish by applying final fixes and prepping a troubleshooting fallback. If problems continue, reset network settings on your phone. This wipes saved networks and VPNs, but avoids a full factory reset. Make sure another device can connect to the same Wi-Fi to determine whether the issue is the phone or the router. If other devices fail, change the router channel and reboot again to avoid interference. If only your phone fails after a network reset, consider contacting your carrier or doing a full backup and factory reset as a last measure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.